Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about the tone of a bend. Now what is that? I've been a guitar fan for years. I was watching some Crossroads episodes the other day, and Eric Clapton came on and he says, "Are you sick of the sound of the electric guitar yet?" And I thought to myself, no, I don't think I could ever get sick of the sound of an electric guitar. It's one of my favorite instruments. Organ, Hammond B3, of course, through Leslie is another favorite. But if you notice certain guitarists, they'll bend the strings, and that almost produces a signature tone that, follows. Every guitar player kind of has his own tone when he bends the strings like that. Can your room resolve that kind of tonal quality? That kind of harmonic tail that every guitarist is known for? Well, if it can't, we can fix it. Big difference between the bends of B.B. King and Derek Trucks, right? Eric Clapton too. Eric's not a big bender though. He is a little bit, but these guys really, especially B.B. and of course, Derek with slide, he gets a lot of different sounds and tones that way. But you can always tell. You can always tell who it is almost in the first note, second note, if you listen to enough of them. So drums are another one. Drummers want their own their own tone, of course. They want a big drum sound, most of them, but they also want their own tone. We have ways to do that with our carbon technology, moving the panels closer and farther away from the microphone position and lowering the pressure area. If you lower the pressure around the microphone hears more. There's more detail, more resolution, and the drummer can play quieter, which is huge, right? Because you hear more. Drummers play loud because they want to hear more. Well, it's kind of shooting themselves in the foot, okay? So that's what you don't want to do. Room resolution, fundamental, and harmonics. That's what produces tone. It's the combination of the fundamentals and the harmonics that we have to be concerned about. So remember, resolution is the goal. Hearing everything is what we're trying to achieve. And your room should really be able to hear the tone of a guitar bend, the fundamental, and then the tail that goes with it. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.